Hi there, this is a basic tutorial on SEO. If you want to know what SEO is, because a lot of people get confused. And so SEO has to do with the search engines. Obviously, we can see this is Google. But if you were to put in the word dentist, Beverly Hills, what this is going to do, it's going to pull up the top organic search results. So as you can see up here, this one right here is actually an ad. It says ad right next to it, and this is an ad, and this is an ad. The ads are actually pay-per-click, and we do pay-per-click management, but what we want to focus on is what we call SEO, or search engine optimization. For example, if you look at this right here, this right here is the first person on Google, bhdentist.com, and this is under Dentist Beverly Hills. Now, these cost per clicks here can cost somebody 10, 20, 30, maybe even $40 per click if it's a super competitive industry. So if I were to click this, which I'm not going to, that person would pay 10 or 20 bucks because now I've clicked on it. It doesn't mean that they're going to get a customer. It just means you're going to get a click. So if 10 people click on it and one person calls, it could cost as much as $100 to get a call. What we're going to talk about is search engine optimization. So for example, all these dentists right here are on the top first page of Google organically. So it doesn't matter how many times I click it, they're not going to pay per click. And how do we get there for SEO? So what we have to do is we have to optimize their website. We have to build out content, which means writing articles. We have to do social media, social bookmarking. And so if we click on this here, this is going to be this dentist website. And, you know, it comes up, it's really clean. They have testimonials, they build trust. It's a good website. So what we do when we get an SEO client, we actually have to optimize their website. Now there's some tools out there that we could use. I'm going to put this in and see if it comes up. So there's a site called SpyFu. And what we could do is we could put in that dentist information when we're reaching out to them. And we could search this dentist. And we could see that this dentist has over 1,000 keywords that are ranking. And also, this is estimated monthly SEO clicks, 1.8 thousand. If we look down here, we can see some of the keywords they're going after, and ranked number 3 for Dentist Beverly Hills. Now, most people, if they're ranked for number 5 or number 4, they're trying to get to number 1. And we can also see different organic ranking history. So there's different tools that we can use. If we look at, you know, their AdWords, I don't know that this one will come up, but let's just check it. That doesn't come up because this is a paid service. But what we do as a company is we optimize your website. We actually write content. So for a client, that could be 10 to 15 articles, anywhere between 600 to 1,000 words each. We also build out content links back to your website. That could be videos, audios, images. We do social bookmarking. We actually do social media, so we build out social media profiles, which build backlinks to your website. And we look at your competitors' information, so that way there we can use that information when we're trying to outrank them. So there's a lot of different technology that we use. One of the most popular things that we use is called Google Analytics. But this is, you know, a little bit of information on how much traffic you could get on organic if you actually rank for SEO on the first page of Google. So 243 keywords, their top competitors also rank for. And this is the inbound clicks from Google, organic versus paid. So it looks like they do more organic than they do paid. And that's probably why they're first on Google and doing really well and have a nice looking website. So if we go back to Google, we can see that all these people are there. Now, what we a lot of times will do is we'll work with somebody that maybe is on the second page or third page, our fourth page, like this company right here, Practice BH. You know, they don't have the pictures. They have articles, they have media, they have stuff like that. But this could be a good client to actually talk to because they're actually on the second page of Google right here. And so we could reach out to them and ask them if they want to be on the first page of Google. You know, the other thing we do is we build out images so that if somebody is on, you know, the images too, and they click here, this is actually going to go back to their website. So there's a lot of different ways that we can do SEO, but that's pretty much how we do SEO. It's pretty basic, but it's very complicated because if you don't know which keywords you're going after, you could just be spending money in the wrong direction. You need to know how many monthly searches that you have. And so this is something we do for a lot of clients, and most of the people that are with us for SEO, you know, they stay with us for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years because they're on the first page. And they say that if you look at, you know, the ads and the organic, they say that you can look this up on Google, that the ads account for maybe like 5 to 10% of the traffic, but I would say 80 to 90% of the traffic goes to the organic rankings. That's why organic is so much more desired. And you're there 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's not reliable on a budget. These people here, maybe their budget's only $500 a day. And once they spend $500, now their ad is not up there. And then somebody can always outbid you. So that's a little bit about SEO. I hope that made sense. And we look forward to talking to you soon. Hi, this is Hugh, and I just want to thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Please go ahead and like this, make a comment, or subscribe to our channel for future ideas on how to grow your business. Thanks a lot, and make it a great day.